It's Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance, and we are here at North Melbourne to paint this townhouse top to toe. All the timber work, walls, ceilings, doors, architraves, skirting boards, and windows. Previously, there had been some water damage from the balcony above this particular ceiling, and also in this room, there was some damage to the wall as a result of a blockage in a pipe that was accessed via this bulkhead. The hole was cut open by the plumbers, and we had to repair that and make it look good again. There was some damage to the side of the wall, which we attended to, and here the guys are attending to preparation of the windows while they began the process of applying 2 coats of enamel paint. As we go up the stairs, you'll see there'll be some damage to the walls from things like furniture being moved up and down, children doing things that mums and dads don't want them to do on walls, like touching them and handling them roughly. We've repaired all of those damages. And as we go upstairs, the house is quite spacious and has a lot of beautiful natural light. All the windows here will be sanded and prepared for 2 coats of paint. The ceiling here has also got some water damage. All the water damage, all the leaks had been repaired. So we were very comfortable in doing all of the repairs and then painting over them. And as we go up the stairs, you'll see there's a little more damage that we addressed. They are minor imperfections in the wall that once filled, sanded and painted will be invisible. At level 3 we find the bedrooms, where we have attended to some minor repairs on the walls. No repairs on the ceilings here. All the timber work is in pretty good condition. You can see the doors are starting to be prepared. We've sanded them, so we've taken off some of that gloss to make it ready for the next 2 coats of paint. We've taken down all the blinds to make it ready for preparation and painting, and obviously to protect the blinds, and we've put them aside, covered them in plastic, and then once the job is complete, the blinds will go back up for the owner. As we go into the bathroom, there's not much to do here. All the painting is above the tiles and the mirror. As we go into the bedrooms, we've brought all of the furniture into the middle of the room, covered it with drop sheets. We will be painting the inside of the cupboards as well. And once again, in this bathroom, not that much to do, just the ceilings. There's a few minor repairs to the plaster, but nothing major. And now here we are putting the coat of paint onto the wall, the first coat of paint. But as you can see, the colours that the client has chosen are not much different to what was there. So there's not going to be a massive difference in the before and after. After spending approximately 7 days with 4 guys at this job, we are now complete. As you can see, the front door has been painted, the ceiling in this front entrance has been repaired and painted, and the plaster damage that was underneath the bulkhead has also been painted. The doors have been painted, and look how good they're looking. They're mirror finish, high gloss enamel. The repair is looking great. It's invisible, and you would never have known that anyone was in there. Everything has been painted in Dulux natural white, top to bottom. Ceiling flat, obviously, for the ceilings, low sheen for the walls, and high gloss enamel for the doors, timber work, architraves, windows. As we go up the stairs, you can see that the damage that was previously there has been made invisible. We filled, sanded, and painted over those imperfections. Everything looks very similar, but it is fresher and cleaner and brighter than it was before. This massive wall has been painted, and it looks amazing from here where the sun's shining on it. We've got the curtains and blinds back up so that the client doesn't have to do that when they get back. We protected the handrails with sticky tape and the drop sheets, obviously, on the floors to make sure we don't dirty any of the timber work. Most of that paint, even if we did drop some on that floor, would come off, but that's not the point. We don't want to be damaging anyone's floors. Upstairs, the doors are looking amazing, high gloss, same with the skirting boards and architraves. And once again, everything has been done, painted and fresh. The client is back today, and they're going to start moving things back onto the walls and into the right position as soon as we get out of the way. The cupboards have been painted on the inside. The glass has been cleaned where we had some paint left over from our brush on the glass. And just look at these doors. They're going to be so sturdy. They're going to hold up to little fingers really, really well. We painted inside the cupboards, and here is the finished result. Look at that. It's like a mirror. It's amazing. The doors are a really good result. We are extremely happy with that, and so are the clients. The walls and ceilings, they just came up great. What was convenient about this job was that the owner was able to move out for a couple of weeks while we were painting, and as a result of that, that made the job a lot smoother and easier to finish quickly. If you are looking for a local painter that's been painting for 20 years and has 60 5-star Google reviews, please call Bill on 0403 162 374, and I'll drop around any time that suits you for a quote.